Hi, welcome to today's class. Today we have this math problem before us. Here is a math Olympiad challenge, and how do we solve this wonderful math Olympiad challenge? The question is a to the power of 4 equal to bracket a minus 4 bracket close all raised to power of 4. We are asked to look for the value of a here. If you look at this question carefully, you discover that the answer straightforward for the real root is 2. But how do we get the other root to this challenge? So if you're new here, this is Onlinemathstv, where we release math challenges all the time. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. Let's go into today's challenge. Okay, so first we take our solution. All right, so the question is your a to the power of 4. I want to move the right hand side to the left hand side of the equation. So this will now give us minus, because here we have invisible plus. So we have here bracket open a minus 4 all to the power of 4 equal to 0. Now what we're going to do here is going to be easy. We want to evoke the difference of 2 square formula in solving this. For us to do that, all we need to do is to rewrite a to the power of 4 and the whole of this expression to the power of 4, rewriting it. So we can rewrite this as our a to the power of 2 close bracket all to the power of 2. According to the law of indices, we can use this to multiply this, the 2 powers. If we multiply that out, it will give us 4. So we do same thing here. So here we're going to have here to be minus, minus bracket, our a minus 4 close bracket all to the power of 2. Let's put this in square bracket all to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Again, if we use this to multiply this, it will give us 4 here. Okay, so now we now have something similar here, and at the same time we have a difference here. Okay, so we recall that when we have our x squared minus y squared, this is equal to bracket your x plus y close bracket bracket your x minus y. Okay, so this is what we call difference of 2 square. Okay, so we have this expression here. All right, so apply this difference of 2 square, we can do that here. So the whole of this expression is going to give us here a square bracket. Let's put our square bracket, our a square for this term, then plus, then this side of it, we have here our bracket a minus 4 squared. Okay, then let's close our square bracket, then open another square bracket. We have our a, then minus bracket a minus 4 squared, close bracket, everything equal to 0. I hope we get something here. So all we need to do is to open up this. So this will now give us here bracket a squared, then plus, if we open up this, we're going to come up with a squared minus 8a, then plus 16, right? Close bracket. Then we equally open up this too. So this, we are going to use this minus to open this. So let's still close this with a square bracket. So here we now have here our a. Please, here is square. Oh, pardon. So here is square. Then minus bracket our a squared. Then minus 8a plus 16. Close bracket or into a square bracket. Everything equal to 0. Okay. So we discover that here we're going to have here to be 2a, right? So we're going to have here 2a squared. All right. Then this will give us minus 8a plus 16 close bracket into, we want to open this bracket. We have a here now, so we have a squared. Oh, why am I always forgetting this a squared? Then minus a squared. The minus times minus gives us plus 8a. The minus times plus gives us minus 16. Close bracket. Everything equal to 0. And here we have plus a square minus a square. So it leaves the system. So we end up having 2a squared minus 8a plus 16. Close bracket, bracket. Here we left it 8a minus 16. Close bracket equal to 0. So let's continue at the side of the board and see what this gives us. From this expression here, We equate this to 0, equate this to 0. On this side, we don't have much issue, so let's take this one first. So we're going to have here 8a minus 16 equal to 0. So send this to this side, we have here 8a is equal to 16. Divided by 8, divided through by 8, this leaves here 1, here we have 2. So we have a is equal to 2. This is the first root I told you of. That many looking at this question, you'll discover that a equal to 2 will give us a solution to this. All right, so let's go ahead and solve for the second expression, which is here. We have our 2a squared minus 8a plus 16 equal to 0. So what we do here, you discover that 2 can divide through everything. So if we use 2 to divide through, we're going to come up here, a squared minus 4a plus 8, right, equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so let's use the quadratic formula because we cannot use the factorization method here. So using the quadratic formula, this will now give us our a equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, again, let's continue on this side here. We're almost there. So what is our b? B is minus 4, and our a is 1. The coefficient here is 1. Then our c is the constant 8. So substituting, we're going to have our a is equal to minus bracket minus 4 close bracket, right? The plus minus the square root of our minus 4 squared, all right? Then minus 4 times 1 times 8, everything all over 2 times 1. So we have our a is equal to positive 4 plus minus the square root of here we have 16 minus 4 times 8 will give us 32 all over 2. So we have a is equal to 4 plus minus the square root. This will give us minus 16 all over 2. So what we do here, we recall that your minus 1, square root of minus 1 is equals to what? Iota. So if we make use of this, we can bring in iota in here. So, and the square root of 16 is 4. So we have here a is equals to 4 plus square root of 4 iota all over 2. If we factor out 2 here, then this will now give us a is equals to 2 plus minus 2 iota. Easy, right? So we have our a2 and a3 from here. So from here, this will now give us, therefore, our a1 is equals to 2, our a2 is equal to 2 plus 2 iota, and our a3 is equals to 2 minus 2 iota. All right. So these are 3 values of our a that will satisfy this Olympiad math problem. So if you learned something from this video, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for being there. Bye for now.